Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, Project Manager and Marketing Director. Each week, we talk about tips regarding general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. This week, we're talking about a very serious topic, electrical safety. Now you'll notice the little logo at the left is from the Electrical Contractors Registration Agency of the Electrical Safety Authority. We'll talk a bit more about that later, but the key thing I want to discuss right now is about the Electrical Safety Authority. That is the governing body that sends out inspectors to inspect all electrical work, whether that's work that you do in your own home or work that a licensed electrical contractor does in your home. Those inspectors are qualified and certified by the Electrical Safety Authority to ensure that the electrical work done in your home is done correctly. Now, in 2007, the laws changed quite a bit. Prior to 2007, anyone could do electrical work in your home, and as long as they got an electrical inspection done, it was okay. However, that changed very dramatically in 2007. The laws changed and the Electrical Contractors Registration Agency, or ECRA, was formed. At that point, you then had to be a licensed electrical contractor to do work in Ontario. Now, that meant that even if you were a licensed electrician, that wasn't good enough. You actually had to be a licensed electrical contractor. What that meant is that you had to take out a special type of certification, which meant that you have $2 million liability insurance in your company, you have a master electrician on staff, and you've been in business at least 3 years. All electrical work now must be done by these licensed electrical contractors, or as the registered homeowner on title, you can also do electrical work in your home. No one else is legally permitted to do electrical work. Now, the one thing I want to stress here is the reason for this is that there were so many house fires being caused by unlicensed people, in particular, a lot of handymen who were doing electrical work. Just because it seems to work, you've put in a receptacle, you plug something in and the receptacle works, doesn't mean it's been done safely or correctly. The Electrical Safety Authority stepped up and said, no more. You have to be a licensed electrical contractor, not even just a licensed electrician, but you have to be a licensed electrical contractor to do work in homes. What that also means, and I've seen this happen many times before, but say you have a friend or a neighbor or a brother who works at OPG or General Motors as a licensed electrician, even they legally cannot do work in your home. They can only do work for the licensed electrical contractor that they are working for. In other words, their employer. This has been done for the safety of you and your family. Make sure that you are only hiring licensed electrical contractors who can produce a license number. You can confirm their numbers at www.esasafe.com. You'll see I've put a license number up on this slide here, and that is our personal license number. Multi-Trade Building Services has Paul Casaba, who is the owner of the company, but he also happens to be a master electrician, and we are licensed electrical contractors. Our license number is 700-5727. Every license number should either start with a 700 or a 701 and then have 4 digits after that. If you go to esasafe.com, you can put in their license number or even just put in the name of the contractor who supposedly is doing the electrical work and see if they are truly registered with the ESA. For more information on electrical safety, check out our blog post at www.multitradebuildingservices.com/news/a guide to Ontario electrical code and your home. Thanks for listening this week to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week. You can reach us by email at info@multitradebuildingservices.com or by phone at 905-259 3344. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you again next week as we help you learn to love your home.